welcome to the video. If this is your first time here, my name is Mike. If you've been here before, my name is still Mike, but you would have known that already. Ohaton, Alberta, tucked just 13 kilometers east of Camrose, is a quiet hamlet with a rich past and a strong sense of community. Though small, it carries the echoes of history, from its early settlement in 1906 to its transition from village status in 1946. The name Ohaton itself is a nod to the financial firm Osler, Hammond and Nanton, whose influence reached far beyond Winnipeg. The hamlet sits amid rolling hills and small lakes, a landscape shaped by agriculture. Grain fields and cattle ranches stretch across the countryside. One of Ohaton's most cherished landmarks is the bell tower, which holds the original bell from the Ohaton School, built in 1909. For nearly half a century, its ringing marked the rhythm of rural life. Though the school closed in 1956, the bell remains a symbol of the hamlet's enduring spirit. For those looking to explore, Ohaton offers a community center, outdoor skating rink, basketball court, and a playground. So whether you're here for history, nature, or simply the charm of small-town Alberta, Ohaton is a place where past and present meet in quiet harmony. All that remains now is for me to remind you to subscribe if you haven't already, like the video if you did, feel free to share it with friends or family members who you think may enjoy it, and remember, you can find Gradient Imaging on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. But until next week, bye-bye.